Thank you all for coming to this K9's early launch of this revolutionary website that we're trying to create. Hopefully in like 3 months or something, we'll be like thousands of shooters or something. Shooters as a concept has not existed prior to the last 5 years. What does a shooter do? Shoots videos, edits them, brainstorms the idea before the shooting and the editing, directs them, and has the ability with all of that to make the video go viral. Every single one of you that is sitting here has achieved that at some point in your life, whether that was with an influencer, whether that was with a content creator, brand. I don't want to say yourself, because if you do it for yourself, you're basically a UGC or an influencer. When I say shooter, it doesn't matter how many followers you have. It doesn't matter who you are. You're just someone behind the iPhone. Agencies like K9 started the market in 2020, early 2020, at the price point of 2,500 dirhams per month for 30 videos. That was the first invoice that I made myself. Today, they're priced up to 20K, 25K. Organic viral content has become expensive. This shooter job has become expensive. Shooting something, in my opinion, with an iPhone, which is 7 seconds long, and then editing it on CapCut, or not even like, bro, early videos edited on TikTok, like literally I put the caption on TikTok and post, should be cheaper, especially for small businesses. This is targeted again at small businesses. The infrastructure of the website is very simple. You set up your rate, you set up your calendar, so you choose your shifts. Whether you're available from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only on Mondays, or you're available throughout the day, is completely up to you. You pick your calendar because you're not working for someone. You are working for yourself, and if anything, you are my customer. The only barrier to entry to become a shooter is the views you've generated for other people. It's not a degree, it's not your followers. The goal here is to get to 20K a month bare minimum as a shooter, because it's achievable. I've done the math, I've done the numbers again and again, and I feel like any shooter that is half good and understands half as much as what we know today can achieve 20K a month in income from this model. So tier 3 are people who have not created videos more than 5 above 100K each. So that means you uploaded your work, we verified it, we found out that 5 of your videos don't cross 100K, you're stuck at tier 3. That means I, as a website, take 25% from you. But I'm also then rewarding you for being better, because it drops to 20%. I am now only taking 20% of your tier 1, which is more than 30 videos that are viral above 100K. Tier 2 is 22.5%. It's more than 5 videos. If you post a video for a brand and they post it on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, all of the cumulative views combined can equal 100K and qualify as a video that's viral. Because the brand is getting those views off of that one piece of content that you've created. So that's why there is multiple links added in the add your work section. Let's assume that you're doing 375, which is your 500 dirham rate per hour. And you get 54 bookings a month. That's 54 hours of shoot time. You can easily be achieving the 20K number. If you're at tier 2, and let's say you're charging anywhere at 1,500, this is after a commission, you get 1,162, you do 18 bookings a month, and you hit 20K. Is the math right? I don't know, Claude did this, so I think it's right. Yeah, 18 into 1 something. And it drops down to 13 if you're at tier 1. But obviously, as tier 1, nobody's stopping you from charging low. The barrier is just on how high you can charge, because I don't want the brands to get a tier 3 creator putting a price of 3,000 dirhams and then the guy shows up and has absolutely no idea what he's doing. He's not experienced.
Would you, as let's say K9, since you have like the data and all of that, for every week or whatever, suggest to the shooters that
100%.
this is what we've tried, tested,
So
this is what you should consider?
part of these workshops is that. On a week to week, I'm going to be doing them online and offline. Shit, I forgot. There was one guy who wanted to join online and I didn't even send him the link. Raza. Yeah, so no, that's going to happen. What you're asking for, that is going to be in the pipeline regardless. But these workshops are going to be a place where we shot last week with 4 clients, and these were my problems. He didn't go viral. What can I change? I think that you can be doing, like personally, bare minimum 25 shoots in a month. Tier 1 shoot a day for 25 days, 9K. Tier 2, 1 shoot a day still, 29K for tier 2. Tier 3, 1 shoot a day should be 40K. So that's 1 hour of shooting. Tier 1, 1 hour of shooting, 25 days. Because if I may ask people who shoot content, is 1 hour of shooting 25 days realistic? Can be done? Right? In my opinion, it's the bare minimum. And if you're a tier 1, you should be making 40 grand. You should have 1 client every single day that books you, works with you. Like, you should have 25 clients who you're on repeat with that are just booking you at least once a month. And I don't think that they're going to book once a month. They're going to book twice, thrice at least. At a rate of like 1K or like 1.2K, they're gonna accept 2 to 3 hours, right? But again, you negotiate the rates, you negotiate your prices. If I'm to be optimistic, 120 grand is not a difficult number either, a month. If you're at tier 1 doing 3 shoots a day.
That's more than adopted.
Okay? Because that's the value of what we provide.
It's just with more shoots a day.
The editing work compounds.
Not just the editing. It's editing work, client handling, ideation, just...
Thank you for bringing up that, Laith, because that is exactly why the website exists. Logistical nightmares, client not showing up to the shoot, payments, which is a big one. I have run an agency for 5 years. I have known people who've left and started their agencies, who have become freelancers, and people are sitting here who can vouch for me on that. You do not get your money on time. Why? Why don't you get your money on time? Because you tie down the client on the number of videos, not the number of hours. And you can't tie them down on the number of hours. Impossible. Even if you go up to a client and be like, I'm going to give you 4 hours of my shooting time, he's going to come back and be like, no, I need these many videos. But when there's a website, or when you go to Emirates.com and you book a flight, you don't get to dictate the terms. As a client who's booking, you just work with what's in front of you. So K9 is that shield that is trying to protect you in that. Because I'm talking to brands daily, right? And I'm like, what would you do if you had a shooter for an hour? Would you prefer that against tying yourself down with number of videos? And most of them are like, if I can get 3 to 4 videos in an hour and the price makes sense, I'll go for the hour, right? And what is a realistic benchmark? You guys tell me, what is a realistic benchmark of TikToks to create in an hour? Laith.
Sean?
TikToks.
TikToks? What, like 5, 6?
6. Humaid.
If the client is chill,
7. Tamam.
Not more than 3 if they review.
Not more than 3 if they're not good. And that's why 3 is not a commitment, but an industry benchmark we're going with.
20 minutes per...
Right? If you ask me, I think 15. Okay? Depending on the client, I can go up to 20 as well. Depends on the client. Depends on the concept as well. Which is why before you accept payment, before you accept shoot, you get to negotiate, which I will show you now. You get to negotiate with the brand. You get to chat with the brand. Finalize everything. Get on a call. Get on a Zoom call, whatever, till you confirm the shoot. Once all the content is uploaded onto the platform, the brand has 24 hours to approve. Which is why we've built it, and which is why we recommend you don't use WhatsApp to send files. Everything is clear to the brand. The brand has to approve the video in 24 hours, and if they don't approve it, it automatically releases the payment as approved. Not transferred, as approved. Because we're also not trying to screw brands over here. So we are going to hold it a bit longer, and I'll get to the payment cycles in a bit. But as a shooter, your job is done. When I started K9 and I had my first 5 clients, I actually did treat them like they were going to be my next 50. We're talking Casa Milano, Danube Home, Dokip Pharmacy, City Taxi Sharjah, and Tawar Kitchen. These were my first 5 clients when I just resigned from the company I used to work in. And I used to shoot them like as if I'm shooting for my own page. I didn't know shit about content. I didn't know shit about organic reach. But when I went to that shoot, I was like, what I'm making right now needs to go viral. Otherwise, this guy's not going to come back to me. So treat your first 5 brands like they are your only brands as you start getting bookings. When you go to that shoot, don't have the mentality, they paid me for an hour, I'm here for an hour, I'm about to leave in an hour. But when you go there, you give them a level of service as yourself that they think twice before booking the next person. You go to shoot with a client, the client is going to be like, give me your number, let's talk outside, let's not give K9 their commission. It's going to happen. You guys might not do it. The guys that are coming after you will do it. Which is why my goal is to build you to a point where you are generating enough income as fast as possible. You are my customers. I service you as much as I can to reach those numbers to the maximum of my potential. In the agreements previously, it was like, if you do bypass, this, that, I sue you, you sue me, 50K fine. I removed all of that. The only thing that is left in the agreement and is if I genuinely find someone, comes to the website, does a booking, goes back, client is now going viral for the next 3 months. Comes again, gets a client, goes, and we see that behavior because we can, we'll just suspend your account. Each of you have a link on your dashboard the second you log in. One is for brands and one is for shooters. Let's say Amin copies his link and shares it with Wingstop to sign up to the website. For Wingstop, it is free to sign up. But now, whenever Wingstop books Humaid, Maz, Omar, Amin gets a cut from K9's margin, which is 15%. And that could be anywhere estimated from 1.6K to 4K passive income. These are subject to change on a yearly basis or on whenever, if any business policy changes, but this is what it is right now. On the shooter end, it's 5%. If Amin recommends Aben onto the platform and Aben signs up using Amin's link, for the rest of Aben's career, till he becomes a millionaire, till the policy changes, Amin makes 5% on every single margin of K9 on Aben's transactions. Small homework if you guys are still interested in doing this, set up your calendar. I'm going to be having conversations daily with brands. I've already started over the weekend. I'm going to be bringing brands onto the platform, sending them to your profiles. They're going to be looking, browsing, choosing. There's 2 ways that brands can do that. It's either by looking at all of your profiles, filtering it, or posting a request, which I think some of you played a role in. They post an open job. They say my budget is 600 dirhams. I need a shoot for an hour. People can bid on it, right? So be ready this week when that happens. 1 second, let me just finish this. Yeah, we discussed about this. This is very important. Protect your reputation. As a shooter, that's all you have. One client works with you and enjoys the performance of that shooting and gets addicted to you, is your client now forever. Okay, they're not looking anywhere else. I've experienced this firsthand. You guys must have experienced it firsthand as well. That bond between a shooter and a client is like that avatar bond with the hair ponytail onto the creature's thing. Once they connect with you, they're not disconnecting unless someone severs it or offers a cheaper price. And bro, sometimes they don't even give a shit about the price. They become so comfortable with you, you're their therapist. Protect your reputation because as much as it is yours, it is ours as well. I glitched, okay? And you guys are quite literally the founding shooters of this website. You're the first line of shooters that are going on to this. So every single piece of feedback you give me will help shape this platform. So whatever you talk to me is going to eventually show up in the website. Next. Yeah, thank you guys.